Hi, I'm Rebecca Brandt, and today we're making the most soft, melt-in-your-mouth lemon cookies with a dip. The dip is key. The dip is so easy, but you're gonna wanna dip. I mean, don't you always wanna dip those cookies in something? And it doesn't have to be milk. Try this sweet, lemony dip. It's like a lemon cookie frosting. You just dunk that thing in it and you eat it. And it melts in your mouth. The ingredients for this dish are lemons, flour, baking powder, salt, an egg, sugar, butter, yellow food coloring, but that's optional, powdered sugar, and a can of sweetened condensed milk. That's the base for the dip. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started. Let's start with our 1.5 cups of flour. And to that we add half a teaspoon of baking powder and we sprinkle it around. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's gonna give it extra flavor, believe it or not. And just mix up that baking powder and that salt right in your little bowl with the 1.5 cups flour. We're gonna get to the finish line fast. I went out and picked some lemons for this recipe today. Boy, my tree was looking good. It had so many lemons on it. So I picked a whole bunch. You really only need a couple. But my tree was bursting. I've got to think of something else to do with all these lemons. And I'm gonna wash them, just in case a little bug was perching on there. Might have bug debris. So we need to zest our lemon. I go all around the lemon, and I do not get the white part. That white part is bitter. Avoid that part. Just get the yellow stuff. It's gonna make your whole kitchen smell like lemon zest. Cooking is certainly the best aromatherapy for your household. That's what your naked lemon looks like, and that's what all the zest looks like. You're gonna want a quantity similar to that. It doesn't have to be perfect though. So I take 1/2 cup, which is a cube of butter. That's room temperature. And you beat it up. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar to that. Regular sugar, and that will take about a minute to combine. And we want 1 egg without any shells. Oh, apparently I missed one. That's what the bowl comes in handy. Pour her in and mix her up. And the zest of a lemon right on top. And our naked lemon is gonna get juiced. All right, here comes a big squeeze. And we're gonna crush it. Oh yeah. Other side. I love this juicer. Not a drop left. And an interesting fact in life, every lemon has about 1/4 cup of juice, just for your trivia knowledge of lemons today. So in goes the juice with that lemon zest. And we've got action, Jackson. And to that, we're gonna add our flour, salt, and baking powder mixture. A little bit at a time, until it's all in. And mix that for about 1 to 2 minutes, till it's all blended. I would enjoy the color yellow on my cookies today, so I'm adding some food coloring to it, about 3 drops. Oh, how pretty, maybe 4. Oh yeah. Done, chum. So press down the sides and get all of it blended together, and then into the fridge for about an hour. We want it to firm up so we can make little cookie balls. Always fun to lick the spoon. It's been an hour. It's time to make our little cookie balls. Who sponsored this video? And I'm so glad they did. They're a great company for cooking gadgets. They make all kinds of ones, including my new silicone baking mat. That's gonna make it super clean when I'm done with the recipe. No sticking. And these great measuring spoons that I'm gonna use to make my cookie balls. This is a tablespoon, so I grab the dough, that's cold, and roll it up. And dip in the powdered sugar. Roll it all around, and onto the cooking mat it goes. And keep going. You want your cookie dough to be the same size. That's why I use a measuring spoon. This is a 1 tablespoon from Huwu. You want them to cook evenly, and only ones that are even size will cook evenly in your oven. So my oven is preheated to 350, and in they go. Put them on a middle rack, and we have second tray, last 4 on top. And set your timer to 14 minutes. That's it. And while your cookies are cooking, let's make our frosting. I'm opening a can of sweetened condensed milk. Huwu makes a great can opener. It works so easy. I like to keep these handy. Oh yeah. So pour your sweetened condensed milk into a bowl. I zested another lemon, and we're adding that too. That's gonna give the lemon flavor. So for the fun of the color, we're gonna add a couple drops of yellow food coloring, maybe 4, and stir it up. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so beautiful. Well, time to check on the flavor. Oh, what a cookie dip. And what about a little lemon juice to spray on top for extra flavor? Huwu makes a mister too, and it's great for olive oil and and juices, and your own blends of oils and juices. And fresh lemon juice is just one of those things I always like to keep on hand in my refrigerator. All of Huwoo's products are super high quality. This can opener will last a lifetime with its stainless steel and high construction. It's engineered to feel really good and weighted well in your hand. I love these magnetic measuring spoons because they fit really neatly in my drawer. They all fit together and stick together. And the mister has stainless steel and comes with a great lid. And this lid is super high quality and fits just snug. And it'll look great on your table as you serve your food. That baking mat is premium quality non-toxic material that's passed strict FDA approval tests. The non-stick silicone baking sheets are great for easy baking. There's no need for oils or cooking sprays or parchment paper. The little faces are so cute on it, and it cleans easily. You can store them curled up. And the temperature goes from a -40 to 450 degrees. That's hot. Those magnetic measuring spoons are great for measuring dry and liquid ingredients. They got 2 different kinds of shapes depending if you're doing a liquid or a dry measure. Maybe you need to go deep in a spice jar. Huwoo's olive oil mister is glass. It has stainless steel detail, and the pump is great for all oil blends or lemon juice or vinegars. So you can create your own little recipes and put them in this olive oil mister. The spray is clean and fluid and doesn't clump. Huwoo's manual can opener has a smooth edge stainless steel body and an easy turn plastic knob. Works like a breeze and doesn't require much effort to open those cans. And because it's so easy to work with, it's great if you have arthritis or other hand mobility issues. It's dishwasher safe. That's handy. Easy cleanup. Or else just rinse it and wipe it dry to clean. And check out these great oven kitchen mitt gloves. They've got a really fun Batman style design, and they're super for baking and also the barbecue. I put these right over my grill. I handled the meat with them and I touched the flame. I didn't feel anything. They're extreme heat resistant. One size fits most all. They're very comfortable. It's been 14 minutes. Time to take them out. Oh yeah, and you can see there's a touch of brown right there. That's how you know they're finished. You can see it's done by the little tiny brown on the edge. Those look great. The mats are so great. You don't even need a baking rack. They will cool on a counter or on whatever you got. And the cookies just peel right off. Perfectly golden brown underneath. Oh, time to eat. We must have a lot of that lemon zest frosting for our happy little cookie dunk today. Oh yeah. Time for the bite. I'm gonna dip it and dip it good. Oh yeah. There is nothing like this in the world. The cookie has such a great crunch and texture. This is 10 times better than any lemon bar recipe. I'm not kidding. Click the link below and check out all of Huwoo's great kitchen gadgets. Huwoo is offering a 60% discount on all purchases. See the description box and use the code. I'm Rebecca Brown. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my new videos. And let's keep making great recipes in life. Like, you know, a recipe for melt in your mouth lemon cookies. Yum.